You are reviewing compliance during a Department of Buildings audit. The question is about the correct installation practice for a boiler safety or relief valve connection under Chapter 10. Here are the choices. We'll walk through each one and explain why only one is compliant. Let's visualize the correct setup. The safety valve must be installed directly into the boiler's designated opening. No valves can be placed before or after it. This is choice A. The valve is installed directly into the boiler's safety or relief valve opening. This is the only permitted installation practice. Choice B says to install an isolation valve between the boiler and the safety valve. That is not allowed. A valve cannot be located on either side of the safety or relief valve connection. Choice C places the safety valve on a branch line downstream of a stop valve. That also violates the rule because the safety valve must be directly connected at the opening, not downstream of a stop valve. Choice D connects the safety valve discharge directly to the sanitary drain. That is prohibited. Safety valve discharge must not be directly connected to a drainage system. Let's summarize. The permitted practice is to install the safety or relief valve directly into the boiler's designated opening. No isolation or stop valves are allowed on either side. And the discharge cannot go directly into a sanitary drain.